Hello and welcome back to Famous Cam's Kitchen. I'm your chef, Famous Cam, and today we'll be making ourselves some double chocolate brownies. So in a medium-sized bowl, you'll want to pour your mix inside, and also inside of this are chocolate chips. So also beware of that. So ingredients and things that you'll need is water, egg, and vegetable oil. You do not. It don't matter what type of oil you use. I use vegetable oil because I like how it is. Also for your pan, to grease your pan, you will want to use either this or Pam or whatever. It's not a sponsored video about with or on any of these people. Also, you'll want to preheat your oven to 325. 325, so it's the middle of 300 and 350, so hopefully you do know that. All right, so let's get first. The first thing you'll want to do is get 1/4 a cup of water. Very easy, very simple, very quick. You can also use a measuring cup, or you can use the big cups if you have one. I think that is leaking. All right, after you do that, then you want to do your oil. So I'm gonna have 1/3 a cup of oil, and that's almost near about the same amount of water. Pour directly on the line and make sure you have enough, and put it in there. And then you already know what's next. Crack your egg. Also, if you do like my videos, please give it a like and share. Makes the channel grows, and it also gives me more opportunities to spread my cooking around and to help folks who love to learn. Okay. After you do that, take your pan or whatever type of spray you're gonna use. Hold your pan up like this. Make sure your pan is clean. You'll want to have a 8x11 or 8x8. It don't matter. It depends on what size and how many brownies you want. I'm only making a few. Not making a lot. But you do want your pan to be greased for your stuff won't stick on the edges or anything like that. Also, something advantage that I have also learned over the years. Always have a clean dish rack beside, for you can always wipe it back down. But you won't have so much work to do after, while you're cooking. I might be speeding, but it's not hard to do this. It's very easy. If you are young, I cannot say this and stress this out anymore than I always do. Please make sure you have an adult or someone old enough who can help you in the kitchen with all of this stuff. Yeah, it's not hard to do it on your own, but always want to have an adult supervision. I don't need one because I'm old enough and I know what to do. Alright then, let's get to this stuff. Also, in the comments below, leave some videos that you would love to see me make, or that you want to see me make. What you need help doing, do it. I have been going for a while. I haven't had anything to cook, any ideas. So please leave comments below. Helps me out tremendously. Also, a little trick that I've also learned to get all of the mix off is either you scrape it off with a spoon or spin it again. And turn it on again and just, you know, let it get all of the mix off. Right, and then you get your bowl. So if I forget to see it, just pour it in there. Also, these are chocolate chips inside, so I guess half, because this is my first time doing this. They're like, I won't say they somewhat like a stuffed brownie, but they're not. Kelly, can you reach in there and give me a spoon out, please?
Yeah.
And a spoon, so we can make this go quicker, and I can throw these in the oven. Also, you'll want them you'll also want that to bake for like 34 to 35 minutes in the oven. It ain't gonna take long, but it is always a wonderful thing to have help in the kitchen. Even though that y'all have not seen me, man, I have not been working on my cooking. I have been working on my cooking. I've actually has gotten better. Something that I'm starting to do now is sing at the choir of my church, and I'm the choir director. So with my cooking and my singing, I guess you can say I'm doing pretty good right there. Yep. So also, some bad you can eat, some bad you cannot eat. This on the box it says do not eat raw. So I'm going to tell you something. Do not eat raw. I do not know what this all is in there for. So, like I said, pulling up. Excuse me, Kelly. So on that side, you want to either sit this on the first one or the middle one. I'm going to sit it on the second one, the very bottom. And then you'll want to cook that for, wow, it's either 39 minutes to 43. That I did not know. So, I guess you could say, I did not pay attention, but that's okay. Alright, so then while I'm doing that, I would say that I was gonna make some cookies, but I say that's just it. So that's the video. I'm gonna post the picture of the results of the brownies after they get done, after the 43 minutes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want to see me cook and make anything else, please leave a comment and a suggestion down in the comment section. Other than that, have a blessed and holy day. And I'm your chef, Famous Cam, and that is all for today. Bye-bye.